Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users report that their Dyson V10 is losing suction and not working properly. This can happen due to a number of factors, including blockages in the filters or issues with the body itself. If left unaddressed, this problem can worsen over time, leading to permanent damage and costly repairs. To perform this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement body part, and a soft cloth to wipe any dust. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and cool to the touch before beginning. Start by gently removing the bin from the device, twisting it off carefully to avoid damaging any clips. Next, locate the screws that hold the body in place. Typically, there are 3 screws located near the base. Using your screwdriver, remove these screws with a moderate amount of pressure, being careful not to strip them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the body away from the rest of the unit. At this point, you should see the faulty component that needs replacing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the faulty part, noting their positions for reassembly. Once disconnected, you can remove the old component and replace it with the new one, ensuring that all connections are secure. After that, it's time to reassemble the device. Align the body back onto the main unit and replace the screws, tightening them gently without overdoing it. Finally, reattach the bin and check that everything is securely in place. Plug in your Dyson V10 and test it to ensure it's functioning properly again. To prevent this issue from arising in the future, regularly clean your filters and check for blockages in the hose and bin. Keeping your Dyson V10 well maintained will help prolong its lifespan and efficiency. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.